Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew and this is Kite Army. So today I want to talk to you about battery powered security cameras. Now these cameras have come a long way in a really short time. I'm talking about in terms of features and capability. The thing that separates these cameras is resolution. And the resolutions can be confusing. So that's what I want to talk to you today, so we can figure out which kind of camera and what resolution you need for your application. Now let's talk in general terms about battery powered security cameras. The great convenience of these cameras is they're super easy to install. There's no wiring. You just pick a place on your house, and as long as you have Wi-Fi access, they'll work. Secondly, the apps to control these cameras are really easy. They're slick and give you lots of management options. The third thing is the batteries for some of these cameras can last up to 2 years. Now, some of the cameras have batteries, some of them are rechargeable. But what I said today is we're going to talk about resolution. So I've got two of the best cameras you can buy right here. In this side, I have the Arlo Ultra. This is a 4K battery powered camera. And over here, I have the brand new Google Cam Nest battery powered camera. This just came out, but this is a 1080p camera. So in this hand, I have a 4K, and this hand, I have a 1080p. So we're gonna determine which one of these cameras you need for your application today. Here we go. So there is something I want to talk to you about before I show you how to install these two cameras, and that is that the Arlo Ultra actually requires a base station. It doesn't make it much more complicated, but if you're looking for like simplicity with the Google Cam, you don't need any base station. This just connects right to the internet. Something to think about. Now let me show you how to install these two. So one of the cool features of both these cameras is the mount is actually magnetic. It means installing the camera's really easy and making adjustments once you've got it installed just as easy. So let me start by showing you how to install the Arlo Ultra. Here we go. So now that we've got our cameras installed, let's go and check out some footage. Here's some daytime footage from the Arlo Ultra 4K. Next up, we've got some footage from the Nest Cam 1080p. So what I'm trying to show here is the width of each view from both cameras. You can see the Arlo's up on top and the Nest is at the bottom. The Arlo goes fence to fence, so it's much wider. It's a 180-degree camera. Now that comes into play here. You're going to see I'm moving towards both cameras with the tractor, and you'll notice in the Nest Cam view, I actually go out of frame. So that can be a problem. So in addition to being wide, the Arlo lens also offers more height. You can see how much space is between the camera and the first cone, even though they're both at the same location. So I think that video footage did a real nice job of showing the difference between a 4K camera and a 1080p camera. You know now it's all about resolution. Do not shop for a camera without knowing the resolution. That's your New Year's resolution, your Christmas resolution, your Black Friday resolution. Know your resolutions. So let's wrap things up. Let's start by talking about the Arlo Ultra. This is a 4K camera. The video is crisp, clean, it's wide, it's deep, it looks good at night. Now, the only thing with the Arlo Ultra is you have to have that base station. That's something to consider. And the fact it's $300. Now let's talk about the Nest Cam. This camera is only $150, so it's half the price of the Arlo Ultra. Now you can see the video quality is not as good, but for up-close security camera footage, it'll probably work for most people. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below on what kind of security camera you use, and when you're done with that, there's a security camera video right there that you're gonna wanna check out. I'll catch you over there.